Testosterone levels in men have been dropping by 1% every year for the last 100 years, and it's all due to modern lifestyle habits. To give you perspective, the average man in the 1970s had around 700 deciliters of testosterone. Today, the average is just 400. That's a massive drop. And if we don't change something now, by 2050, this is what the average man will look like. So in this video, I'll break down 4 signs that you might have low testosterone. And then I'm going to give you 3 proven and natural ways to boost it, as well as a timeline that will tell you how long it will take to hit these results. So let's get into it. Sign number 1, low muscle mass. The biggest sign of low testosterone is low muscle mass. A study from the University of Toronto Medical Center found that guys with lower testosterone also had less muscle and more body fat. That's because testosterone directly supports muscle growth, recovery, and performance. That's exactly why someone who's lean and active has higher levels of testosterone than someone who's overweight and sits on the couch all day. The analogy is simple. Less muscle is less testosterone. Now let's move on to a sign that hits even harder. Sign number 2, a lack of focus and no energy. Do you ever feel tired all the time, even after a full 8 hours of sleep? Do you find it hard to focus? Like you start a task and then 5 minutes later, you're doing something completely different? Well, that might be a lack of testosterone. See, testosterone plays a key role in producing red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles, your tissue, and most importantly, your brain, which can cause fatigue and brain fog. This can be dangerous for your productivity and the quality of your work, but don't worry, there's something you can do. Solution number 1, the 2-step fix. The first fix is sleep. A study showed that guys who sleep 5 hours a night had 15% less testosterone than guys who sleep 7 to 9 hours a night. Why? Because most of your testosterone gets produced during deep REM sleep. These are normally the last 10 to 20 minutes of your 90-minute sleep cycles. And the less time you sleep, the less time your body spends in deep REM sleep. And I get it, school, work, relationships, life can make it pretty hard, but the solution is simple. Just sleep more. If you need to wake up at 6, make sure you're going to bed at 9 or 10 latest to get those 7 to 9 hours. Aim to go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time to fix that internal clock. Another little tip is to follow the 3-2-1 rule before bed. No food 3 hours before bed, no liquid 2 hours before bed, and no screens 1 hour before bed. It makes a big difference. The second fix is your diet. You're a product of the food you put in you. So you fill your body with processed food, crappy sugars, and vegetable oils. How do you think you're gonna feel? Once you've eliminated all that garbage, then you can start fueling your body with whole foods. Healthy proteins like meat and eggs, healthy fat like smoked salmon and avocado, and the list goes on. Once you fix these 2, you'll see a huge spike in your energy levels and your performance at work. Sign number 3, you have no aggression or competitive drive. As a man, you should have that hunger in you to go chase your goals and be the best. Testosterone is that fuel that makes a man want to dominate, compete, win, and take risks. And it's not toxic, that's just nature. In fact, studies have shown that men with higher testosterone are more likely to display dominance, assertiveness, and goal-driven behavior. And think about it, evolution rewarded the man who hunted harder, not the one who sat back and scrolled all day. Sign number 4, a low sex drive. This one's probably the most obvious sign. Testosterone is the main hormone in sexual desire in a man. High testosterone equals high sex drive, low testosterone equals low sex drive. It's simple. If you rarely get morning wood, that's a sign. You should be waking up with it 4 to 5 times a week. Also struggling with erectile dysfunction, another clear indicator. And let's be real for a second. If you're on self-improvement and not chasing girls, that's not a sign of low testosterone. You still want to, but the thing is you're strong enough to control it, and that's called discipline. But if the urge is completely gone, you don't even think about girls anymore, and that's not control. You just might have low testosterone. And now let's talk about the second proven way to raise it. Solution 2, work out. 100 years ago, men had more testosterone. And it wasn't magic, it was simply that they moved more. There was more physical labor, less technology, fewer desk jobs. They were just way more active. Start doing heavy compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench press to increase your testosterone levels. Strength training triggers a natural spike in testosterone, especially after working out. And over a given time, if you stay consistent, your baseline testosterone will rise. So it's pretty straightforward. Here's what you do. Come up with a workout plan and stick to it 4 to 6 times a week. All right, and lastly, let's talk about the timeline. So in 1 to 2 weeks, your stress lowers, your sleep gets deeper, and your energy goes up to 5 to 10%. In week 3 to 4, testosterone increases by 10 to 15%, morning wood returns, and gym progress feels clean. Week 5 to 8, your testosterone levels have gone up 20 to 25%. Confidence is sharper, and your focus is locked in. And lastly, months 3 to 6, testosterone is up by 30%, which is crazy. Your mood, strength, and drive are all peaking, and at this point, you're not even the same person anymore. So that's it. Those are 4 signs you might have low testosterone and 3 natural solutions to help you fix it. Like and subscribe if you found value from this video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.